Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Craving the perfect, fluffy cake. Today, we are making the ultimate, foolproof cake that turns out incredibly moist every single time. First up, dry ingredients. Powder sugar, 250 grams. All-purpose flour or maida, 325 grams. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, quarter teaspoon. Butter, 250 grams. Eggs, 6. Tutti frutti. Grab a large ball and add in your softened butter. Add sugar and whisk together. Add 4 eggs first and whisk. Now add 2 eggs. Total of 6 eggs. Whisk again. Add flour and whisk. We are gonna follow this technique so that there are no lumps. Whisking now ensures everything is evenly distributed. No weird clumps allowed. Look at the shine. Now add baking powder and baking soda. Whisk again so the powders are mixed. Add half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix it on medium speed until it's smooth, creamy, and looking absolutely irresistible. Try not to overmix here. We want it light and fluffy, not dense. To give that nice gradient effect, you can add any food color of your choice in small batch of batter. Look at that cute pink batter. Pour that beautiful batter into a greased and lined cake tin. Alternating the batter color will give you that nice gradient or marble effect. Sprinkle generous amount of tutti frutti. Preheat your oven or cake pot stand for 5 minutes. Place your cake pot in oven and cook for 45 minutes. You can check at 40 minutes by poking stick, and it should come out clean. My kitchen smells like heaven. Let it cool, frost it with your favorite icing, and dig in. Look at that perfect sponge. And there you have it, the most foolproof, delicious cake you'll ever make. If you loved this recipe, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments, what flavor are you baking next? See you in the next recipe.